Welcome to this property tour. My name is Antonello DeMuro, and as a local estate agent, I bring more than 2 decades of dedicated and professional service to global, discerning investors. Today, I'm delighted to show you around Villa Elicriso, a truly special home set in Capo Coda Cavallo, one of the most enchanting corners of the island. Just steps from Salina Bamba beach, Villa Elicriso harmoniously blends style, privacy, and natural beauty, creating an exclusive retreat on the northeastern coast of Sardinia. This villa unfolds across 2 levels, surrounded by a beautifully maintained garden. Inside, every space is bright, comfortable, and smartly designed, using high-quality materials. A sun-filled lounge opens onto a panoramic veranda through wide French doors, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor living. The kitchen, compact yet refined, combines design and practicality. This level also includes a master bedroom, a double bedroom, and a shared bathroom, ideal for elegant, relaxed, everyday living. The lower level features a second living area with an open kitchen, perfect for hosting guests or family gatherings. The sleeping area includes 3 double bedrooms and 1 twin bedroom, 3 with ensuite bathrooms, plus an additional maid's room. The garden surrounds an infinity pool overlooking the bay, an inviting space to unwind while taking in the panoramic views. Generous outdoor lounges and dining areas are perfectly set up to enjoy the Mediterranean climate in full privacy and tranquility. From sunrise swims to sunset aperitifs, the exteriors are made for pure relaxation. The Olbia Costa Smeralda Airport and Olbia Port, with connections to major Italian cities, are only a short drive away. Nearby Puntaldia offers a luxury marina, fine dining, and the golf club, making this area both elegant and convenient. The property also includes 6 parking spaces, 4 in a covered garage and 2 outdoor. If you're seeking a luxury villa for sale in Sardinia, Villa Elicriso represents an extraordinary opportunity. Our team has over 20 years of experience helping international clients find exclusive homes in Capo Coda Cavallo, and Sardinia's most sought-after locations, always with a personal, client-focused approach. Reach out to us now for further details, to arrange a private viewing, or to get personalized service locating your ideal villa in Sardinia.